Assalamualaikum and hello YouTube, my name is Nur Muhammad from NM Watch and we are back with another unboxing. So I haven't done this type of video quite a long time I think. So yeah, basically I'm quite patient on this one because this is not my watch. This is a watch that I actually told my friend, hey man, if you want to get a watch, get this particular watch, but I haven't even handled it before, right? So yeah, how could I advise him to get this when I haven't even had an experience with it, right? So yeah, let's see what is this watch is all about. So let's take out my unboxing knife, which is this Victorinox. I have no idea what is the name of this particular knife, and let's rip into it and yeah, try not to hurt myself. Alright, so there is out inside here, there is, oh, so sorry about that. Oh my god. Okay. Let's just rip it off. Ow! Okay, so I just hurt my hand. Sorry. Kids, don't do this at home. Alright, so okay, so let's take. Okay, I'm good. There's no blood. Alright, so let's just take off some more of this tapes here. Right, so yeah, there we have it, the inner side of the box. This is not the actual box, the Seiko box, but rather a box in another box, right? So okay, so let's just, how do we open this thing, right? So let's just take that one off. Oh, did I say Seiko just now? Oh my god, sorry about that, guys. How the heck? Okay, this one and this one. I might have to fast forward this video for you guys, right? So I'm not gonna be bother you with this box in a box. Alright, so let's there's nothing inside there. Oh my god, that's just too many packaging material. Let's just rip it off. Right, 3, 2, 1. Yeah, we've got another Seiko, guys. Right, so the box is quite unique. Alright, so this is cool. I thought that this is, it looks like it is a Japanese JDM packaging, so I might be wrong about that. I'm not really sure, but let's just, okay, so let's see what is inside. Okay, so this is the new Seiko 5 packaging, right? So I haven't handled any Seiko, the latest version of the Seiko 5s. We have your usual menu instruction and stuff. So yeah, let's just put it out of the way and let's just see what is inside here. Beautifully done box, but yeah, still, yeah, oh yeah, that looks awesome, guys. Are you guys ready? 3, 2, 1, boom! We've got ourselves a Seiko 5 Sports SRPG27K1, right? So this is not a Japanese made. This is definitely an Asian market, but definitely not Japanese. Let's just put it out of the way over there. Yep, this is the new military, or is it not pilot watch, but rather a field watch. This comes in a few other colorways actually, so black and blue I think, and of course black and blue colorway comes in this bracelet, but there are also a few other versions that comes with leather strap and also NATO straps. I am close to pulling the trigger on the blue dials with that gold color indices, but I haven't because the leather strap is, yeah, it's not really that good, but still, wow, this looks interesting, right? So you see those beautifully done what do you call it, applied indices on these Arabic numerals, quite dark, especially, is it black, fully black, or just matte black? Yeah, I think that is matte black with a printed 24 hours markings in the middle, and Seiko 5 logo is actually applied, so that's nice. And the S is actually printed, right? So that is cool. The one thing that I didn't really like about this particular version is that the loom, right? So I wish that these Arabic numerals were loomed, but they are not. But yeah, still nice looking thing, right? So of course using the 4R36 movement, so you can just adjust it. Let's just put it 10 position. So I'm not really going to be changing the date because I have no idea. No, let's just check if this is, yeah, that's good, so we can actually change the date because we've already passed that, right? So we have this, check out that date wheel, guys. So the date is actually matte black, but the day is actually polished black, right? That's interesting, that's new. I haven't seen any Seikos doing that before, right? So you see that there's a difference between the tone on the date and the day wheel, right? So that's new. I haven't I haven't experienced that before. Yeah, the hands is nice, our hands and minute hand, and also the second hands we have that triangle, jet red red colored jet there. Yeah, that's actually, this is quite good, right? So brush finishing on top on the bezel and also on the case, but polish finishing on the side of the case, so that's nice. We have a drill lugs here, and we have an unsigned crown, but it is done in brushing, right? So this is quite nice, this one, right? So we have quite a lot of contrast going on here. A solid bracelet with a, is this a pin and collar? Nope, that's not a pin and collar, it's actually split pins, which is alright. So that is way much better than the super duper annoying collar pin and collar system, right? So yeah, I just hate those things, right? So we have, oh my god, just 2 micro adjusts here, so that's going to suck, right? Because the links are quite huge, guys. So I don't really know why Seiko choose to put just 2 micro adjusts here, because there's definitely one more space for another holes here, right? So yep, the workhorse movement, the 4R36. Let's just focus. Yeah, that's good. Okay, you know what? Let's just do some dimension check here. Okay, guys, so we are back with my calipers, right? So they say that this is 39 millimeters. So 39.5, right? So 39.4. Let's just measure it around here. Yep, 39.4. Yeah, that's okay. So that's okay. A thickness of 13.5. Wow, that is dive watch category, guys. So, and a lug to lug of about 47.8. Let's just call it 48 then, right? So yeah, 48 millimeters, right? And the lug width should be 20 millimeters, right? Let's just measure it here. Yep, 20 millimeters. So very, very nice. And unsize with all the links available on the bracelet, on the watch itself, it's going to weigh at about 147 grams. So that's good. All right. So if I am to wear this one, I think I need to take out a few links, so that will be around, you know, let's do a quick swatch check. Today I'm wearing my San Martin SN021B-2 with this super duper cool looking Tiffany blue dial with those BB36 dial and sensors. I've paired it with this taupe leather strap, which for me looks cool. Alright, so on my 6.75 inch wrist or 16 centimeters, I have quite a lot of I think people with up to 8-inch wrist or 8.5-inch wrist can still easily use this particular watch. So I think I have to take, if I am to wear this one, I have to take 2 links from here, even maybe 3 links from here and 2 links from there, maybe, right? So check that out, guys. So I know for it, of course, it's a bit too thick, like TGV said. Yeah, he doesn't, Tristano from the Urban Gentry didn't really like this particular watch, but that's not bad at all, right? So yeah, this bracelet is quite, I don't know, it doesn't really feel that cheap, but still, yeah, it has that holo and link. So yeah, you know what, this thing is, you can easily get this for under $200 US now. So so that's okay, the price for the price point. But yeah, still, I don't know, it looks cool. But you know what, let's just check the lume. Okay, guys, so I've just charged this with using my my studio light straight to 1. Boom. Oh wow. So check out this, the the San Martin, right? So the Seiko, not that impressive, I must say. I'm not really sure whether this is going to last. So yeah, definitely those the lume pips on, sorry, the lume on the hour indices, I have no idea whether this one will last or not. But yeah, still, you can see that they are fading already. So if you compare it to this San Martin, yep, it definitely blows the Seiko out of the water. But yeah, still, if you like this style of watch, you're not going to be buying it for the lume, but for the look, and of course for the brand, which is Seiko, right? So people love Seiko, right? So there we have it, guys, a simple and quick unboxing for this particular piece. So this is not mine, by the way, this is my buddy's, Mr. Ras. So he allowed me to do this unboxing video, and of course I will have to resize it for him. And yeah, if you guys have any questions whatsoever regarding this particular piece, so please do let me know in the comment section below, and I'll see you soon. Stay safe and bye bye.